Hey Cloud Innovators, welcome back to Talk Nerdy to Me, Cloud Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into Azure DevOps, the powerhouse platform that's transforming how modern software teams collaborate, manage projects, and deliver applications at lightning speed. While Azure Pipelines might get most of the spotlight, Azure DevOps offers much more than just automation. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline your entire development lifecycle, boost productivity, and accelerate innovation. Whether you're brand new to Azure DevOps or looking to level up your existing skills, this newsletter will guide you through key features, practical strategies, and best practices. From tracking work items with Azure Boards and mastering version control with Azure Repos, to optimizing quality assurance with Azure Test Plans, and managing your software packages seamlessly with Azure Artifacts, we'll ensure you have everything you need to become an Azure DevOps wizard. Ready to master Azure DevOps beyond just pipelines? Let's dive in! What is Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps is a collection of tools designed to help teams collaborate, manage their software development lifecycle, and automate deployments. Think of it as your Swiss Army knife for software development, combining planning, coding, testing, and deploying in one unified platform. Core services in Azure DevOps include Azure Boards, where you can plan and track your work using easy-to-use agile boards. Then, there's Azure Repos, which allows you to securely manage your code using Git or Team Foundation version control. Azure Pipelines helps you automate your build and deployment processes effortlessly. With Azure Test Plans, you can organize and execute both manual and automated testing. Finally, Azure Artifacts lets you store and manage packages your team needs, such as libraries or dependencies. Azure Boards help your team organize tasks, bugs, user stories, and features, so everyone is always aligned. How does Azure Boards help teams? Well, it starts with epics, which are big initiatives broken down into manageable parts. Then you have features, which are functional blocks of your product providing clear visibility. User stories offer clear descriptions of what your users need. Tasks are actionable items your developers and testers execute. And of course, bugs are issues needing attention and fixing. Example, real-world Scrum process. Your team plans work in small focused cycles called sprints. Azure Boards makes managing the straightforward plan tasks clearly in advance, track progress daily with built-in tools, and adjust tasks easily based on real-time feedback. Azure Repos securely stores your code, helping teams collaborate smoothly and efficiently. How should you organize repositories? Monorepo, all code in one repository, good for coordinated changes. Multi-repo, separate repositories for each project, making it easier to manage independently. Hybrid, best of both worlds, offering flexibility. Recommended branching strategy. The main branch holds stable, production-ready code. Feature branches are where individual team members build and test new features. Release and hotfix branches allow teams to quickly address and fix issues without impacting the main development. Azure Pipelines automate building, testing, and deploying your code. This helps your team deliver updates faster and with fewer mistakes. What does a pipeline look like? The build stage automatically compiles and tests your code. The deploy stage automatically pushes your code to a live environment, such as development, testing, or production. DevOps maturity levels. Level 1, basic. Simple automated builds and deployments. Level 2, advanced, more sophisticated testing and deployment strategies. Level 3, optimized, continuous improvement with features like feature flags and canary deployments. Azure Test Plans simplify the process of testing your software, making sure it meets your quality standards before reaching your users. Automated testing automatically checks code quality and catches errors early. Azure Artifacts keeps all your team's software packages organized and accessible. Organizing your packages. Internal libraries, shared across multiple teams for common functionalities. Project packages, specific to individual projects. Release packages, packages that are ready for deployment. When you're managing Azure DevOps across a growing organization, clear governance is key to preventing chaos and ensuring smooth collaboration. Here are a few essential strategies. Clearly structure your projects. Organize projects logically based on teams, applications, or services. Clear naming conventions and consistent structures simplify management and collaboration. Strictly define access controls. Set precise permissions to ensure team members have only the access they need. This helps maintain security, reduce errors, and streamline operations. Standardize your pipelines. Use shared templates or golden pipelines to ensure consistency across builds and deployments. This practice simplifies onboarding, reduces troubleshooting time, and improves reliability. Regularly enforce security policies. Implement automated policy checks, security scans, and compliance gates in your pipelines. Regular enforcement helps detect vulnerabilities early and ensures your applications meet organizational security standards. Azure DevOps doesn't live in isolation. It seamlessly integrates into your existing toolset, creating a unified workflow. Popular integrations include communication tools. Connect Azure DevOps with Microsoft Teams or Slack to receive instant notifications about builds, deployments, and work item updates. Source control and collaboration. Integrate smoothly with GitHub or other repositories for efficient code management and pull request workflows. Incident management and service platforms. Link Azure DevOps to ServiceNow or Jira, ensuring transparent incident tracking, streamlined workflows, and enhanced collaboration across different teams. Quality and security tools. Easily connect with SonarQube for code quality analysis and application insights for monitoring performance, enabling comprehensive quality assurance within your pipelines. Leveraging these integrations enhances collaboration, reduces context switching, and ultimately accelerates your software delivery process. Adopting Azure DevOps is most effective when done strategically and incrementally. Here's a clear, step-by-step roadmap to ensure successful implementation. First, assessment. Begin by evaluating your team's current tools, processes, and capabilities. Identify existing pain points, bottlenecks, and opportunities for improvement. Understanding where you stand today helps you set clear, achievable goals for adopting Azure DevOps. Second, pilot project. Choose a small, manageable project to pilot Azure DevOps. This allows your team to get hands-on experience with minimal risk. Use this opportunity to test integrations, workflow improvements, and gather valuable feedback. 3. Define processes. Clearly document your new workflows, standards, and procedures based on insights gained from the pilot. Establish best practices for version control, CI/CD pipelines, testing strategies, and work tracking. Proper documentation ensures consistency and facilitates onboarding. 4. Setup platform. Configure Azure DevOps to align precisely with your team's needs and organizational structure. Define projects, teams, permissions, repositories, pipelines, and integrate necessary third-party tools. Proper initial setup helps avoid future headaches. 5. Team onboarding. Train all team members on Azure DevOps best practices, workflows, and governance guidelines. Offer clear documentation, training sessions, and hands-on workshops to accelerate adoption and ensure everyone feels confident using the new platform. All right, now let's talk about scaling and optimizing. Gradually expand Azure DevOps across other teams and projects in your organization. Continuously gather feedback, measure performance improvements, refine processes, and optimize workflows to ensure ongoing success and maximum benefit. Following this structured roadmap will help your team smoothly transition to Azure DevOps, unlocking its full potential and transforming your approach to software delivery. CI/CD, which stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment, means automatically building, testing, and deploying code. Epics are big picture features or projects in agile management. Repositories, often called repos, are where your code lives. Artifacts are packages containing reusable code. And Scrum is a type of agile project management for faster, more effective teamwork. Azure DevOps is more than just a collection of tools. It's a transformative platform that reshapes how your team builds, tests, and delivers software. By embracing Azure DevOps, you're not only adopting technology, you're fostering a culture of collaboration, agility, and continuous improvement. From better project management and streamlined deployments to enhanced quality assurance and security, Azure DevOps empowers your team to innovate faster and smarter. Your move. Are you ready to level up your team's collaboration, accelerate delivery timelines, and unlock new levels of productivity? Azure DevOps awaits. Let's dive in and transform your software development lifecycle together.